Hey, Bianca Entertainment, big up on the damn himself. Wherever you all are stars.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely.
Guys, what's cracking the back and smacking the back? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you know, so we are gonna watch a video ahead from the camera. We're gonna beach, we're gonna be a beach, but them say them have boat ride, but no beach. Beach are open. How does that make sense? Like them have boat ride, but then the beach are open. I don't know how that go. So we're going to Fisherman's Beach, but we're going to KFC right now. There we go, right there, and that's the Colonel. So until we get back on the beach, we'll get back soon, alright? And if you beg them at 10 or at 20, that's small to them, but 2 we are plenty. When we are out to the road, we really cannot afford the night because now we park it empty. Where? Hold it. See if we can drop up one of them pictures. Whoa! Oh my! Look at that! Look at that! I say, look at that!
Okay, guys, I just want to say we all need to keep our rivers and stream clean. Do not litter the road because that garbage will go right back to rivers and beaches, and that is not healthy for our fishes nor our ecosystem.
And over there you have Italian restaurant over there, guys. Yeah. Which part over here is the name again?
Nothing more romantic than food, than Italian food.
There's, say that again. There's nothing more
romantic than Italian food.
Oh, and there we have Turkey Tower over there. And there we have Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal over there. Then we have what the lady name? My area film. A few restaurant and bar that. Elise Kelly. This is the natural herbal juice. Reggae Alley Bar and Grill, okay? Reggae. They didn't know it's a fair place? You know? And over there is the harbor. Now this is the one way, guys. You know one way I watch it? We don't want to not drive the other way up on the road there, you know. We don't come for just go. When you come on the road, you just go so alone, yeah? Come in and tell them if we go left, right, or we have Diamonds International over there if you want to get married. If you want to give your dog a diamond, or your cat, or your turtle. Oh, right there is Turtle Walk. Where Turtle in the ankle? Oh, this stretch here is Turtle Walk, you know. And over there we have Island Village. Yeah, guys. And which part we walk? Right, that's how them sell jelly at Island Village. Does it mean? Yeah, you can get it icy cold. Yeah. Right, that's why Island Village side, but that one the old mama. Old. Yes. And we have theater over Island Village, you know, for all who never know, all who never, when a boyfriend never can go a movie yet, when you come down here, so the ticket is 1,200. Yeah. And next you're going to see Bianca Entertainment right beside on that side. Oh, and guys, me I tell you one little secret. From small, I always want to buy over here, so. Them used to have bed and breakfast over there. One club right there, so. The place look abandoned now, but I see one door open with curtain there, so it look like somebody live over there. So you see when the channel grow big and want to start watch all the ads there, we're going to buy over here, so. It's going to name Bianca Entertainment Bed and Breakfast. Yeah, guys. Right there. Right there, too. I'm going to give you a full preview. And see 2 carriage drive good on this already. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Good's hungry. Oh, Good's hungry. Yeah. Sure. And there you have Columbus Heights. That are over where I hotel them this. And over here is it. Oh, and a fisherman beach in there, an Orchard fishing village. I'm gonna ask them questions in my life, you know, so I just make sure I get where I go on, yes, sir. So we are Orchard fishing village again for the second time, so we have a second vlog to go. Orchard fishing village, and everybody know. Everybody, we have jelly right there, so. Everybody's supposed to know down here, sir. If you live at Orchard area, you must know down here, sir. And there we have the car park over there.
In case you can company property, you see it, you can say no outside food or you can company property.
Okay guys, then say no KC buying property, so we're not about to go Orchard Fishing Village. The place to be is same place that we did there. Same place that we did there last week. Same place that we did there last week, guys. And that's Griffy Beach. And when we are going to reach? Shima is whining in her clothes. Oh, weird. Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? What's cracking the Mac? What's cracking the Mac and smacking the pack? Guys, then so we can't go over Fisherman Beach because we have a KFC. Then bright here, then we won't go over to buy a laptop for 7 grand. Duh. We don't have no money. Then so we can't go over there. So we come side of Fisherman Beach over Mr. Smart right there. So right there, so. Because we can't get no car if we go look at Dun River. You see me, guys? And there we have my crew over there. We're outside, guys. We're outside and we are come outside every Sunday. Duh. We get turned off at the beach because of our chicken, and there we get raw chicken at KFC. When you want to see Colonel, I tell him, say, that chicken is raw, you know, soak, brother. We want about our money, brother. Me a vlog. Right now, you want to say hi to the vlog? So guys, we're over this, so over the mooring, so we need to come over Fisherman Beach. So we ate the chicken and we'll come over Fisherman Beach. I mean Orchard Fishing Village. YouTube, Bianca Entertainment. Just like on TikTok. Hold on, let me get the front camera. What's up guys? I have one of my fans right here. She wanna say hi to you guys.
Hi guys. Subscribe, comment, share.
Okay. Do you come here? Come tell them the name of your TikTok page so they can follow you on TikTok.
Ashari.
Okay, follow her at Ashari on TikTok. Okay, guys? Yeah, guys, I'm with the Orchard Fishing Village, like right now. Yep, and this is what it looks like on the beach. We're next door to Margaritaville. Sun hot though, guys. I'm gonna put one stone and I don't want to drop off. See this? Stones. Don't, we could have go there water with me too. No, see the water is. Yeah.
What did they? Mama look and say,
No, no, did they?
I see it.
Wait, tell them please. Go for me, sister. Guys, go for me TikTok, the TikTok page and my sister one, please.
What's the name of your sister TikTok page?
Rum.
Okay, alright. Okay guys, so now we're gonna look some icicle. Me, Nicoya, and Ashima. She bought the icicle still. Are you sure it's icicle?
Yourself?
How much she eat?
Yeah.
Say cheese. Say cheese, may I take the picture? Okay guys, this is what we're getting. Ice cream, yeah, buy? Yeah. We are getting icicle. Nikaya wants nothing. Where's your shop name? Where's your shop name?
Great choice.
Great choice. Okay guys, and when you come to Ochore's Fishing Village, you gotta come to Great Choice right here. They have ice cream and icicles, juices, and patties and all of that. Alright guys, so when you come to the Fishing Village, you can come right here. Oh my god, you go girl. God no. Come. When I get here, push it down in that
Let
cold.
me say, tell her to give me one next one. I want the next one to put on this off. One next one.
No, sir, actually, you're not giving on my guitar.
Never gonna push it down on the next one. Wait, nah.
Come, tell the people them why your ice cream tap off.
Cause me that lick too much. Me that lick too much. No, but it's gonna come like too small.
Come now, ready?
Yeah, my ice cream just dropped. When we get one next one. The one
Did you get that double one?
You drop me, I gotta grumble.
You hear that guys?
Yeah.
She was looking it too hard, you know.
Me did I lick too much.
And now we're at the bottom side lobster Dave, right? So the next time when we are doing this vlog here, we will be at lobster Dave. What lobster Dave?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? The man I called to the girl and the girl not answered. Yeah, the man. Hey guys. Say hey guys.
Hi.
The man I called to the girl and the girl not answered. The man said, you're a country girl, them, I know.
Here. We go by slide, I'm gonna have fun.
Okay, over there.
Me alone go over.
Okay. This girl been having pure fun from there. Yeah guys, we're left the beach right now because guess what, we swim till after 2 hours. We don't know say. We don't know. So we're supposed to come back outside when we know, so we watch the time, you know? So we swim till after 2 hours here. Police are come. And the people them start around. Look what people like dirt up there, so. Yeah. And Anchor run left way. Watch him. Guys, everybody around from the police. And the police are running down, you know? Police just come to say, yes, at 2 o'clock now, no go home. Everybody around me. Sorry, I didn't catch up on camera and I'm a fool. Sure. So guys, that was the beach vlog. Rudy not drink nothing. She not go in the water. She not stand up in the water. And not even her foot not touch the water. Sorry guys. So, this is the end of the vlog. Yo, make sure so you watch all the ads them. Like, subscribe, and share, and comment too. You understand? Comment. I'm gonna want to not tell me say on a vex because I got beach left on because I put it on my status and I got beach and nobody call me. So Anchor, give them one of the we're out. We're out. We're out. Come back camera. That was Bianca Entertainment, guys. Like, subscribe, and share, and we're out. That one feel.
Please like, subscribe and share. Comment too. We like you too. Nee.